In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a full-page screenshot on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, if we open up a web browser and then if we head over to some web page, we can notice that the page in the browser is scrollable and it goes beyond the screen of our iPhone. Nevertheless, we can take a screenshot of this entire web page, even though it is not visible on our screen all at once. To do that, all we have to do is just take a screenshot as we usually do so. To do that, we need to press and at the same time volume up button and power button, just like that. It will take a screenshot, then we need to tap on it, and that's where we can easily find full page. If we tap at full page, we can find out that the full page screenshot is already taken. Now we can edit it if it is necessary. We can crop it. So let's say I need just that part of the web page. So I can easily crop it. To continue and save the changes, we can tap at done, and to reset it, we can tap at reset here. Also, we can use any tool from that bar, such as marker or highlighter, to draw here something or to mark some information. And then once we are ready to save it, all we have to do is just hit at share and then save to files. Yes, guys, the screenshot is not going to be saved to our camera roll. It will be saved to our internal storage. Here I can select any folder. Let's say I want to save it to downloads folder on my iPhone, so I can just get into it and then hit save. After that, to find that screenshot, we need to open up Files app. That is official Apple app to manage files on our device. So we can open it up, and that's where we can easily find the screenshot we have just taken. As you can see, that is actually a full page screenshot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.